Today on Uncovered, we'll explore Milky Way flipped. We are going back 10 billion years to uncover the massive cosmic collision that completely knocked our home galaxy on its side. When you picture the Milky Way, you probably imagine a perfectly flat, spinning disk of stars. But our galaxy hides a violent past. Astronomers at Durham University recently used supercomputer simulations to prove that our galaxy was once struck head-on by another massive star system. This ancient crash did not only add new stars to our neighborhood, it fundamentally reshaped the entire structure of the Milky Way. Today, we are breaking down the physics of a galactic merger. How does a collision in the vacuum of space actually flip a galaxy that is billions of miles wide? To understand this, we have to meet the Interloper. Astronomers call it the Gaia Sausage. Despite the funny name, this was a massive dwarf galaxy packed with gas, dark matter, and stars weighing 10 billion times the mass of our Sun. In the early days of the universe, galaxies were constantly moving and pulling on each other with intense gravity. The Milky Way was much smaller back then, making it vulnerable to a direct hit. But Gaia Sausage was on a radical, head-on collision course straight for the heart of our galaxy. Picture two spinning tops sliding across a table. If they gently bump edges, they might simply bounce apart. But if one top slams directly into the center of the other, the massive transfer of energy will cause them to wobble and tilt. In space, galaxies do not bounce. They are made of mostly empty space, so they pass right through each other. But their combined gravity acts like a giant net, catching and dragging the stars out of their original orbits. This gravitational drag is what sets the stage for a cosmic flip. The mechanism starts when the Gaia Sausage strikes the Milky Way in a massive head-on collision. Because the Milky Way is slightly larger, its intense gravity tears the incoming dwarf galaxy completely to shreds. As the smaller galaxy breaks apart, the Milky Way absorbs the foreign stars into its own structure. Think of it like a snowball hitting a moving car. The snowball shatters, but its snow sticks to the windshield. In space, that sticking process unleashes total chaos. The sudden addition of 10 billion suns creates a massive gravitational shockwave that ripples through the entire system, disrupting the delicate balance of our spinning galaxy. As that shockwave spreads, the chaotic gravitational energy forces the entire galactic disk to tilt. Over hundreds of millions of years, the Milky Way flips by more than 90 degrees. Meanwhile, the absorbed stars form a sparse halo that rotates much slower than the rest of the galaxy. Today, those ancient foreign stars circle our galactic center at only 25 kilometers a second, while our native stars zoom by at 220 kilometers a second. So a direct hit shatters the smaller galaxy, the added mass creates a gravitational shockwave, the energy tilts the entire disk, and the leftover debris forms a slow-moving halo. This ancient collision is the reason our galaxy looks the way it does today. Without that massive impact, the Milky Way would not have the thick, glowing bulge of stars at its center. The crash fundamentally reshaped our cosmic neighborhood long before our solar system was even born. By studying the extreme sausage-shaped orbits of those slow-moving halo stars, astronomers can map out the exact history of our universe. It proves that galaxies are not permanent, static objects. They are constantly evolving and growing through massive cosmic mergers. You can actually see the results of this mechanism from your own backyard. The next time you are away from city lights on a clear, dark night, look up at the glowing band of the Milky Way stretching across the sky. That bright, dense strip of stars is the very disk that was knocked on its side 10 billion years ago. Every star you can see with your naked eye is part of that tilted structure. It is a beautiful reminder that even the largest structures in the universe are shaped by the forces of gravity and motion. Click check. Here is my question. What is the funny name of the dwarf galaxy that struck the Milky Way 10 billion years ago? The Gaia Sausage. The Milky Way's tilted disk is a direct result of a massive gravitational collision that absorbed a dwarf galaxy and reshaped our stars. Next time you spin a top and watch it wobble, remember the exact same physics can knock an entire galaxy on its side. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how a dwarf galaxy flipped the Milky Way. Stay curious, stay kind.